This video will show you how to replace the headlight bulb on your CAT UTV. Do not perform any lubrication, maintenance, or repair on CAT equipment until you have read and understand the operation and maintenance manual for the product. Information in the video complements, but does not replace the detailed safety information featured in CAT operation and maintenance manuals and service manuals. Remember to wear appropriate personal protective equipment. This task only requires a 10mm wrench. First, find the headlight on your CAT UTV and identify the wiring harness and rubber boot. Now disconnect the wiring harness, then remove the rubber boot from the light assembly. The H4 bulb will be located underneath the rubber boot. Remove the old H4 bulb by unlocking the spring. Do not touch the glass portion of the bulb with your bare hands, as it will shorten the life of the bulb. Insert the new bulb into the headlight assembly. Lock the spring to secure the bulb. Install the rubber boot, making sure it is sealed around the bulb. Then connect the wire harness. With a 10mm wrench, turn the headlight adjuster clockwise to adjust the beam down, or counterclockwise to adjust the beam up. This concludes the video on how to replace the headlight bulb on your CAT UTV in order to increase visibility and safety. For more information, check out your operation and maintenance manual, or contact your local participating CAT UTV dealer.